This elephant in Thailand can paint. With a gentle sway of its trunk, this intelligent creature deftly wields a paintbrush, creating masterpieces. Each stroke is a testament to the elephant's innate creativity and intellect. With each canvas it adorns, the elephant's artwork speaks volumes, capturing the imagination of onlookers and forging a profound connection between humanity and the natural world. In its strokes, one can discern not just the mastery of technique, but also a profound expression of emotion and intellect, affirming that brilliance knows no bounds, even in the most unexpected of places. Through its art, this remarkable elephant bridges the gap between species, reminding us all of the boundless potential of intelligence and creativity in every corner of the world.